Hey everyone, my name is Emily and I'm the Director of Marketing for Clinkscales Elder Law Practice. Now I'm sending you this video today because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you how you can completely change your life and protect everything that you've built for you and your family. I'm going to tell you the very simple step-by-step process you need in order to ensure the safety of your hard-earned assets, as well as potentially save you $6,000 to $10,000 a month in nursing home costs, okay? First, I want to briefly introduce our head attorney, Mr. Randy Clinkscales. For those of you who haven't attended our workshops or met him before, Randy is the creator and owner of Clinkscales Elder Law Practice. He manages our offices in Hays and Wichita with clients throughout the state of Kansas. He really focuses on people with aging and chronic care issues and protecting assets from long-term care cost. He's spent 40 years as an attorney, and he likes to say that the last 16 years as an elder law attorney have been the most rewarding for him. Something Randy always loves to share is his passion for elder care. Randy actually took care of his grandmother for years after his mother passed away, and his grandmother needed someone to look after her. The most important thing to her was to stay at home. She wanted to stay at home as long as possible and to protect her assets to maintain the lifestyle that she wanted. So Randy basically created this firm to reflect the care that he wanted for his grandmother for everyone else. We strive to treat clients like our own family. So it's a great story. I know I don't do it justice, but here at Clinkscales, we treat every client with the care we want for our own families. Now, the real reason you should listen to me isn't because Randy was the first area attorney to become a member of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys, or because he was the president for 2 terms of the Kansas chapter of Elder Law Attorneys, or even because he constantly publishes articles in local and state publications and has represented clients at the local, state, and federal courts. You should listen to me because of what our over 200 plus clients have to say who have actually been in your shoes and worked with Randy. Here's a testimonial from Pat. My husband needed nursing home care. You guided me through the process. Your care coordinators made sure my husband was getting good care. I highly recommend you because you are always there for your clients and will guide them through everything that goes on, things we never expected to go through. Here's one more testimonial from Sherry G. My husband has Parkinson's. You helped me keep him at home as long as possible. You showed me how to be a better caregiver. I could not have figured out how to pay for care with Medicare and Medicaid on my own. So now let me share with you specifically what you need to know so you can get results similar to these folks. So far, you've discovered that it is possible to find, get, and pay for good care for yourself or a loved one with a chronic illness. You've learned that Randy is not only overqualified, but he is also very trusted by our clients to protect your assets, to create trusts for your family, to find ways to keep your loved ones at home for as long as possible. For example, we've helped families preserve and protect assets from long-term care costs. We do this by using lots of government benefits to pay for care, like Medicare, Veterans Aid, Medicaid, and more. Some early involvement we can do is to get Medicare benefits extended, get healthcare improvement clients what they need, potentially return home from long-term care facilities. That long-term care policy can be extended as well. So we can also help when it comes to necessary taxes, capital gains, Medicare taxes, and then health care and federal estate taxes. So you might be wondering, how do I make this happen? How do I make sure my family will be prepared? So the first step is to attend one of our upcoming workshops this Thursday, September 16th. These workshops will be hosted online via the Zoom platform. This is an application that lets you watch us talk and present live in real time. So we have a 10 a.m. session entitled Secrets You Need to Know for the Second Half of Life, where Randy will address the legal tools that will help you plan for the second half of your life. This will entail establishing a plan to avoid probate and ensure a legacy, preparing for chronic illness, how to protect yourself with essential documents, and even more. We also have a 2 p.m. session entitled The Number One Best Way to Pay for Long-Term Care. In this session, Randy will provide you with tools to pay for long-term care so you don't have to go broke. Nursing home cost is now over $6,000 to $10,000 a month, with one of the greatest fears being losing your home, retirement, savings, or even your own business to the cost of long-term care. We're going to help you find ways to stay at home longer and find ways to pay for that care. So that's the first step, is to attend a session this Thursday, September 16th. The second step is obviously to attend that session. So after that session, you'll be entitled to a completely free complimentary strategy session. These are 60 to 90-minute sessions via Zoom, telephone, in person, with one of our attorneys. In this meeting, you will discuss your financial and legal needs. You're going to review your current estate plan, review your concerns, establish some long-term goals, discuss tax consequences. And of course, this whole session is catered to you and your completely unique situation. And these are completely free of charge, no obligation. The only catch here is that we only have 7 spots available until October 15th. Our attorneys have been swamped this fall, so if you're interested, you need to schedule with us soon. So don't forget to register for the workshops. In this email, you can click the link to register for the workshops this Thursday, or you can go to our website at www.clinkscaleslaw.com/events and get started changing your life today.